I've got the Powerbeats Pro tools, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pair and connect these to your Mac or your MacBook. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a MacBook, but it's the same exact instructions for your iMac or Mac. Now, if you've already paired this to your iPhone and you signed into the same Apple ID on your Mac, then chances are they're already automatically paired to your Mac as well. If not, then this is how you can manually pair them. So on your Mac, go to Bluetooth settings, and you can easily do that by going to the control center icon in the menu bar at the top there. Click on that and then click on Bluetooth, and then go ahead and click on Bluetooth settings. That should open the Bluetooth settings window. Now first, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. As you can see, mine is turned on, and then your Mac will start looking for nearby Bluetooth devices. And so what you need to do is take your Powerbeats Pro tools and put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, make sure they're charged, and then open the case, and then you should see this little button inside the case, this one right here. So you want to long press on that button until that light starts blinking. It may also make a sound as it blinks. That means they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now, if you check on your Mac, you can actually see in the nearby devices section, our Powerbeats have been detected right here. So just go ahead and click on connect, and they should get paired and connected. And you can see the light on the case stops blinking. And now here under the list of my devices, you should see your Powerbeats Pro, and you can even see the battery percentage. So now you should be ready to take them out of their case, put them in your ear, and use them to listen to media, music, watch movies, and do listen to whatever you need to listen to from your Mac. And that is basically how to pair and connect your Powerbeats Pro tools with your Mac or MacBook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.